Hello everyone, just doing a holiday check-in. Hope you're doing well. First thing I want to point out is I rescheduled the Zoom lecture with Brianna Durand to July 23rd. I know that's a Friday. It's not a requirement to be on. However, I think it would be a good thing for you to listen into. If you can't make it because you have other responsibilities, other things to get to, since it's not technically a school day, feel free to listen to the recording. Just let me know. So that'll be on Zoom here, and the link is just to easy click on the announcement page. Further, you have extra time, right, to finish this week's module. So we're on interview techniques. Be sure to go over the material. I want to be clear though, the discussion 6 is due this Sunday. So finish up your discussion board and then take some extra time to review the information within the chapter. But you don't have any information or any material due next week. However, I think it's a good time to pick up some study material, work on your exams. I know you haven't got a study guide yet for the next exam, but that'll be coming up. But it's always good to refresh your memory, look at the book, and go over some material that might help you in the future. The fact that everyone's doing well, if you need anything, let me know. Thanks so much. Have a great holiday.